Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to enable automatic video downloads on WhatsApp Web for your PC. This new feature ensures that videos shared with you are downloaded automatically, saving you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. To do this, visit web.whatsapp.com in your browser. Once the page loads, use your mobile device to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. This will log you into your WhatsApp account on the web. Once logged in, look at the left-hand side of the interface. You'll see a gear icon. This represents the Settings menu. Click on it to access various customization options for your WhatsApp experience. Next, within the Settings menu, locate and click on the option labeled Chats. This section allows you to manage settings related to your conversations and media preferences. Under the Chats menu, find and select Media Auto Download. This is where you can configure how different types of media are handled when sent to you. Now check the box next to Videos. By doing this, you're enabling automatic downloads for all videos shared with you via WhatsApp Web. From this point forward, any video sent to your account will be downloaded automatically without requiring manual action. And that's it. You've successfully set up automatic video downloads on WhatsApp Web. This feature makes it easier to access and view videos directly from your PC without extra steps. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from this feature. Stay connected for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital experience.